There. Let's try that again. Don't you people ever quit?
No, we never quit.
No?
No.
Isn't it cold?
No, it's not
Don't
cold.
care how cold it is.
Don't care how cold it is.
Yeah, we don't quit.
It's for the cause, right there.
You got it.
That's the cause?
The cause.
Yeah. It's pretty windy, it's cold, it's rainy.
Yep.
Terrible.
God is good.
And we're here.
God is good.
That is good. And right till November the 1st, right?
That's right.
Next week, next Sunday.
Yeah. I'll be here. Cole?
Oh.
So what are you doing here?
Doing like everybody else, we're praying
For what?
to end abortion. It's our hope. That's what we pray for right now, right?
That's the only hope. The only way, huh? 40 days. How about that one there? That one there have an opinion or is quiet? You have an opinion on this?
Say your prayers, please.
Say your prayer? Okay, that's good. We're not going to stop somebody from praying. That's for them, sure. 40 days.
40 days.
November 1st.
Prayer, fast, and vigil. The cross without hope.
What about the other side?
We're not allowed over there.
No, a woman should choose what she wants to do with her body.
There's a baby.
No.
Just a baby. Okay, we'll let you continue what you're doing. Talk to you later.